Hello everyone, how are you all? Today was your test and you have done well. And I want to tell you solution of this test and I will explain everything which can be the answer and which is not the answer and why is this not the answer of this question. So first of all, a microbe that can be seen with the naked eye. First question, a microbe that can be seen with the naked eye. Micro means microorganism that you can see with your eyes. That is virus, mushroom or bacteria. Virus you can see? No. You need help of microscope. Can you see bacteria? No. We need microscope to see bacteria. So what we can see? Mushroom. So mushroom is a microbe that can be seen by our eyes. So mushroom is a microorganism. Next question second. The microbes generally used for baking food items like pizza and biscuits. The microorganism generally used for baking food item. So which microorganism is used for baking food item? Mold, mushroom या yeast. Mold is a growth of microorganism that can spoil the food. And mushroom, you take your mother made always mushroom matar, so you have seen we don't mix mushroom in our food. So what we add? Yeast. And why? To bake items like pizza and biscuits. The microscope is generally used to observe. So what is the use of microscope? To see plants, to see animals and to see microbes. So microscope is used to generally see microbes, means microorganism, means small organism that cannot be seen by our eyes. So microscope is generally used to observe the things that cannot be seen by our eyes. We need microscope to see microbes. Question number 4. Which of the following live in human intestine and help in digestion? So I have told you the uses of bacteria, good bacteria and bad bacteria. So I have told uses of good bacteria. They are uses live in human intestine and help in digestion. So bacteria are useful to convert milk into curd also. So which bacteria live in human intestine? Which live in human intestine? Bacteria and help in digestion. Which statement about microbes is incorrect? Means it is wrong. First statement, some microbes are useful to us, they do not harm us. Second, most of them can be seen clearly under a microscope. Some of them are harmful but some are useful also. So first statement is wrong. Some microbes are useful to us, they do not harm us. Microbes are useful and they do not harm us. This statement is wrong because microbes are harmful to us also. And B and C options are wrong. B and C are correct because here written most of them can be seen clearly only under a microscope. So some can be seen by our eyes but some can be clear only microscope. Some of them are harmful but some are useful also. This is also correct. 6. Which of these animals can control its body temperature internally? So you know that warm-blooded animals can control their body temperature. Which animal? Warm-blooded animal can control their body temperature. So blue whale is a warm-blooded animal and humans also warm-blooded animals. So warm-blooded animal can control their body temperature. These type of animal don't need extra heat to maintain their body temperature. So I am going to show you more questions. Which animal become active during the night time? So which animal become active? You know that diurnal animals become active at daytime, nocturnal at night, and crepuscular at the time of sunrise and sunset. So which animal become active during the night time? Nocturnal animals. Which kind of animal is a deer? So you have a study about crepuscular. So what are crepuscular animals? Animals that become active at sunrise and sunset. They are called crepuscular animals. Diurnal become active at daytime, nocturnal at night, and crepuscular active at the time of sunrise and sunset. Now, more examples of crepuscular also, as dogs, cats, fireflies, deer. And why they are example dogs, cats? Because most of the pet are the example of crepuscular animals. As you have listened also, in morning time, at evening time, dogs start barking. Why? Because they become active at that time. Which animal group does the ant belongs to? So ant belong to vertebrates, invertebrates, or ectotherms. So ant does not have backbone. Ant belong to group insects also and invertebrates, because invertebrate do not have backbone. So ant belong to invertebrate, and vertebrates have backbone. Vertebrates have backbone. So the animals those have backbone are called vertebrates. Now, which disease is spread by mosquitoes? Which disease is spread by mosquitoes? Dengue, filariasis, and yellow fever. So which disease caused by mosquitoes? You know very well this disease. Which disease? Dengue, malaria. These diseases are caused by mosquitoes. So my class, I have given MCQs of both the questions, and these questions are very much easy, and you should read lesson also, because maybe in test I will give in between the lesson. So next time what you will do, you will prepare this lesson, you will prepare for the test from the lesson. So now you are having books also, so I will take test from the lesson. So read the lesson carefully. Thank you very much.